Battambang, the third largest city in Cambodia, is steadily becoming the country's business and industrial center. Despite the fast-paced growth and economic development here, many residents experience poverty, lack of access to health care, and social challenges. The Seventh-day Adventist Church in Battambang sees these challenges as opportunities to make people's lives better, and the 13th Sabbath offering helped make this possible.
As Jesus taught us how to live a better life, we want to use this place to share people how to have a better life and encourage them to learn about Jesus Christ through the needs of people in this community.
Pastor Shin and his wife Abigail are cross-cultural missionaries, and they manage the Battambang Essential Life Center. When they first arrived in Cambodia, they discovered that their greatest challenge in operating the center was that they couldn't speak the local language. Not intimidated, they met the challenge head-on and started to learn it. Meanwhile, local missionaries and pastors stepped in and willingly gave their time to start offering services of the Battambang Essential Life Center.
We opened this center to serve this community of Battambang through restaurant, through clinic, through dental clinic, there's a gym, there is a language program, and also music classes. And until Jesus comes, we will fulfill His great commission to spread and share the gospel throughout this city and throughout the country.
In 2018, the 13th Sabbath offering was collected to help construct this center. Thanks to your contribution to the offering, these programs were made possible. Since it opened to the public, it has become a community center in every sense of the word. Here, people come to learn, play, and make friends.
The parents of the music school, they're absolutely excited about the center. They love the facility. They like I think they like me as a teacher. And they see their children partaking in this cultural education that's not offered anywhere in Cambodia. As far as I know, this is the only music school in town.
The center is also a place where people can see glimpses of Jesus' love. During the construction of the building, missionaries began mingling with the local people, making friends and introducing them to Jesus. When the center opened, several people from Battambang accepted Christ and were baptized. Now they're all part of the team that's reaching out to more people in this growing city.
This place really gives me a chance to know Jesus. I learn about Jesus through the love and care of the people at this center.
The Battambang Essential Life Center has just started to reach out to the community, and doors are already opening. Let's pray for Pastor Shin and his family, and for all the missionaries in Battambang who are making an impact in this city. Thank you for making projects like this possible by giving to the 13th Sabbath offering each quarter.
We thank you so much for your support. May God bless you.